Tree, plus I got this running with Kelly and her hands, she's still green on me. I mean, she like, yeah, I need some wet, yeah, yeah, I need some wet, yeah, yeah, I'm a little man, yeah.
To do the Wet Kolors dance, first, put your left fist out in front of you. Then, your right fist on top, like you're grabbing a mop. Bring the mop to your left shoulder, then back down. Then to your right shoulder, then back down again. Do this one more time. Left shoulder down, right shoulder down. Now, look to the left and wipe your forehead with your left hand, like you're wiping sweat off your brow. Bring both arms up and make a triangle with your hands, holding it out in front of your face, so you're looking through it. Bring your left arm down in front of your hips, and bring your right arm up to your right shoulder. Then, pull your right hand down, like you're tugging on something, and wiggle your body a little. Move your left arm up and roll your arms around each other, your left arm coming up and over your right arm. When your left arm comes up the second time, bring your right hand down to your hips. Then bring your left hand up toward your face. Then clap them together out in front of you. From there, bring your left hand up above your left shoulder. Then swing it down in front of you toward your right hip. Swing both arms up above your right shoulder. Then swing both arms down across the front of your body, bouncing your body twice as your arms swing in front of you. Next, cross your arms in front of you so they make an X. Bring your hands down and clap your forearms. Bring your hands back up so the backs of your palms are touching. Then clap your forearms again. Now grab the top of your right pant leg with your right hand and step forward as you swing your left arm across the front of your body. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Grab the top of your left pant leg, step forward, and swing your right arm in front of you. Lean forward and rub your hands together, like you're washing them in the sink. Then, bring your left arm down by your hips and hold your right arm out in front of you, like you're holding onto a leash. Fist bump 2 times with your left hand. Bring both hands up to your chest. Make a thumbs up with both of them, and pump them in front of you. Lower your hands to your hips, then bring them back up to your chest again, and roll your hips. Send your hands out in front of you, then down toward your sides as you roll your hips. Bring your right hand out to the side and blow a kiss with your left hand. Finally, rub your belly with your left hand. Twist to the side and raise your left hand above your head to wave goodbye.
Tree, plus I got this running with Kelly and her hands, she's still green on me. I mean, she like, yeah, I need some wet, yeah, yeah, I need some wet, yeah, yeah.